friends, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the May the 4th be with you, and we're gonna go ahead and do Star Wars decorations for birthday parties or as we celebrate Star Wars Day on May 4th. We're gonna go ahead and get started with blowing up some balloons. May the 4th be with you. I love these Star Wars balloons. I believe I picked these up from Walmart. They're simple and basic, but they make a bold statement. I did tie strings onto the balloons, and you'll see a little bit later what I'm going to do with them. Now we have a Star Wars backdrop. We're going to go ahead and get that put up on my kitchen wall, and we're just going to use some tacks to get those hung up. Now we're gonna hang up balloons around the Star Wars backdrop we just put up. I'm using double-sided tape on the balloon side that I don't want to show, and then we're gonna go ahead and put these up around the backdrop. A special thing about these decorations, I originally did them for my husband. He is a huge Star Wars fan. I thought it would be fun to surprise him with some Star Wars decorations, and he absolutely loved them. These are Star Wars cutouts. I really just went online on Google and found them for free and cut them out. We're just gonna add these underneath the backdrop in the kitchen. So with the balloons that I had earlier with the strings hanging down, I'm actually just hanging those from my entryway from my living room to my kitchen. I'm putting double-sided tape on the top of balloons, and I'm just sticking it to the entryway. And then we're going to take some Star Wars hanging swirls, and we're just going to get those hung up in between the balloons. I love the way that it turned out. It fills in the extra space between the kitchen and the living room, and it looks really good. Now these are some props that I have. We're actually going to add these to the cabinets. I'm just going to use a little tape on the back, and then we're just going to tape them up and add some fun Star Wars decor to the cabinets. Now we're on to my living room. This banner is one that came with the Star Wars cutouts for the props that we just hung up on the cabinets. We're gonna get this hung up over my clock, and again, I'm just using some tacks to help me hang that up. Once we get that up, now we have a Star Wars banner, and we're gonna take this banner and hang it up right underneath the backdrop. We have a few more swirls left over, so I decided to put them on the fireplace on either side just to add a fun touch. One more Star Wars banner and decided that I wanted to hang it over the television in our living room, so I'm just putting that up with some tacks to get that secure over the TV. And now we're going to go ahead and blow up a few more Star Wars balloons. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so I can continue to bring you great content. Let's go ahead and add a few fireplace decorations. I'm gonna add the Star Wars balloons in the middle of the fireplace. And then we're going to add a couple black balloons on either side of the Star Wars balloons. And the rest of our Star Wars balloons we're going to put on either side of the TV. Now we're going to do some kitchen table decor. This is a little side table that I have in the kitchen. I'm just going to get this covered up with a black tablecloth. I have this action figure. I think it may be a Star Wars figure, but I'm not really sure. It looks like one. I happen to have it on hand because I do have an eBay store that's called The Toy Mom that I resell toys. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. The link will be in my description. So I decided to use that in the center, and then I added some Star Wars paper plates and a couple more cutouts. On to the kitchen table, we have a Star Wars tablecloth we're going to put on the table. And these are just some silver platter plates that you can get from the Dollar Tree. We're going to use these, and after that we're just going to add a few more Star Wars plates. And here are the results for our fun Star Wars party. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button. Make sure you check out some of my other party videos and have a royal day.